Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a random for a one box break of 2013 Platinum Football. All names have been entered into random.org. Going to randomize it 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good luck, everyone. All right, I'll get the teams read out to you. You guys are crazy. That's why I like you all, because you're crazy. Shoei with the Cardinals. Ryan M. with the Falcons. Kenan with the Ravens. Michael W. with the Bills. There you go, Michael. Michael W. with the Panthers. Justin M. with the Bears. Kenan with the Bengals. Michael W. with the Browns. Shoei with the Cowboys. Michael W. with the Broncos. Ryan M. with the Lions. Justin M. with the Packers. Shoei with the Texans. Shoei with the Colts. The Jaguars, Ryan M. Shoei with the Chiefs. Shoei with the Dolphins. Shoei with the Vikings. Shoei with the Patriots. Shoei with the Saints. KCC with the Giants. Ryan M. with the Jets. Good luck, Ryan. Shoei with the Raiders. Thomas S. with the Eagles. Ryan M. with the Steelers. Shoei with the Chargers. Ryan M. with the 49ers. Thomas S. with the Seahawks. Ryan M. with the Rams. Shoei with the Bucks. Ryan M. with the Titans. And KCC with the Redskins. There you have it, guys. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter at TheCaseBreakers. And check me out on eBay. My ID is The Case Breakers. Boom, baby!